everyone, this is Ashwini. Welcome to CKA Cert Hands-On channel. The purpose of my channel is to get people who want to give CKA 2025 exam get started on their hands-on practicing journey once they finish a formal course of CKA and have a basic understanding of Kubernetes concepts. This creates the depth in your understanding of each concept and helps you crack CKA exam. CKA exam consists of 5 different categories. Today I'm starting a new playlist for a brand new concept, Helm, which is one of the newest concepts. And in my experience, I have not seen much content for this, so I'm just focusing on Helm here. I am referring to Karim Ben Malik's course on KillerCoda, and I really like the content. So let's get started with the basics and try to understand these concepts and slowly get up to speed with um, what Helm does. Um, so Helm is like a packaging tool for Kubernetes. It is to, if you have seen my earlier videos, it is to make the whole application deployment easy with Kubernetes. If there is like a complex application that you're deploying with Kubernetes, instead of managing the manifests and everything, a lot of files using Kubernetes manifest, it would be just easier to use Helm. So that's why I think Helm is getting quite popular. So let's try to understand how Helm does it. So today we are going to uninstall a Helm application, a release. So we have learned the concepts. We use a chart, we use a repository to pull down a chart, and then we use the chart to create a release. We can use we can create so many releases with different names by using the same chart and the same cluster. So and one of the things that is really good with Helm is that the rollback and uninstalling. If you upgrade an application, it will be just you create a new chart version and then you can just upgrade it. And then if you think there are any problems with it, you can just roll it back with one command. We have seen how we roll back. Now let's try to we list it. So what is there? We already have a release called mockup. It's in the namespace dev.ns, and we're using the mockup 2.0.0, and the app version is 1.1.6. Now we'll try to verify Kubernetes get all -n dev.ns. We'll try to see what are all the things. We have a service, a deployment replica set, and have a pod, and the pod and it is exposed through the service, and we have the cluster IP where there's 5000. So we'll try to do curl http. Let's try to see ping that IP and the port, and this hello KillerCoda folks, if this application is not readed, uninstall it please. So this is Helm has got this client, this command line interface that we are using, which is quite if you do not know what to do with it. For example, I do not know the complete command line tool as well, so I'll just say Helm uninstall, and then it will tell you what you need to do in order to uninstall it. So it says release name. Remember that whenever you're creating something with Helm, with a chart, what you're creating is a release. So everything that you see here under the name is the name of the release. You're creating a new release. Think of it as, you are how you should think of it as Helm is always tied down to an application. So what do you do with an application? You create new versions, right? A new release. So what does Helm do? Helm is tied down to the application. You're creating a new release. So every time you install or upgrade or rollback, what are you doing is you're doing actually a release of an application, and it's got its own name, right? So someone must have installed it and it's got a mockup release. So it's always a release that you are dealing with when it comes to Helm, and the release here is mockup. It's not found because I did not give the namespace. So now it's uninstalled, and that is it. We do not see the mockup release anymore because it is uninstalled. That is how you uninstall an application. And I will see you. I know it's very simple, but this is to just understand what you can do with Helm command line interface, so that we understand the basic concepts and then we move on to the a little bit more advanced concepts. So far we have seen how we can add the repo and then install a chart and upgrade a chart version, upgrade a chart, and also roll back a release, and now uninstall the release altogether, its application altogether. So we do not need it. So this is also, so far we have seen install, upgrade, rollback, and uninstall. This is what we have in this video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye and happy learning.